Mom, what you doing?
Well, it's my final Disney Durable Academy box unveiling. Unless I find more in a store.
She probably will.
But I've really enjoyed this series. So the last one I opened had 5 in it, and I think this one may have weighed a little bit more, so I'm gonna guess 6.
Okay. I'm going to go with 7 because I'm optimistic.
Okay, she's gonna go with 7. I would really love a Fozzie Bear. And who else do
We want animal too.
Oh, an animal. Yeah, I think he's an ultra rare too.
Yes.
We do need those.
So let's cross our fingers that we can get them.
Boop,
If not, maybe we'll have to get more.
yes. Wait, this way. Your fingers crossed.
Good job, Mom.
Okay.
You ready to open it up and get started?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. All right. Crossing our fingers that we have a lot of doors in our Doorables. Okay.
One side.
I think the pulley side's on the other end. There you go.
Yeah. It never tears.
Oh, that one was pretty good.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, and then we have one more. Rip it, rip it,
Thank
rip
you,
it.
Disney, for making this so much fun.
Yes. But you're also a Disney adult, so of course you find this fun.
I am a Disney adult.
Just
I love poopies.
Please hold. All right,
Okay.
how many doors? Let's see. 3.
I'm guessing 6.
And I have 7 because I'm optimistic. How many is it? Oh, you got 6. Good job, lady.
That's what I thought there was going to be.
All right.
6. Okay.
Get your doors open and let's get them out. All right, Mom. Are you ready to add some more Doorables to our seance?
And I have 2 sheets, so I don't have to keep flipping the paper, which is awesome. So
Yeah.
This one, actually, the bag says number 2, but let's see what it is.
What's it feel like?
No ears, like a head. So I'm wondering if it's Louie or Dewey, maybe.
Okay, you want to open and find out?
Let's guess. Let's see. Oh wait, is this
We got another Ludwig van Dijk.
Ludwig van Dijk?
I will not sing the color song this time, but if anybody wants to hear me sing the whole thing, I know it from memory, the entire song. Why?
She already sang it in the last.
Yeah,
episode.
go back to our last video. I sang it there, but if you want the full thing, oh, I will do karaoke for you. All right, what do you think this one is?
Again, a hat maybe. Okay, who's wearing like a ball cap? Oh, I'd love it if it was Eeyore. I don't think. Do we have Eeyore?
We do not have Eeyore yet.
Okay, Eeyore.
Could be Eeyore, it could be Pete, it could be Tigger.
No, because there's not big ears.
All right.
So let's see. Baseball. Let's see.
Who is it? Who is it? Is it Eeyore?
No, I think it's a princess.
It's a princess? Who is it?
Oh, no, it's not. Wait.
Wait, who is it?
Who's playing the...
No, it's Kristoff. Is that Kristoff?
Is it Kristoff? Would he be playing that?
Check in the... Where is he at? Let's
No,
see.
yes,
That
it
is
is
Kristoff.
Kristoff.
He's part of the clubs. He's part of the music club.
He's the music.
Look at how cute he is.
I
Oh.
think we got him before, didn't we?
Not this Kristoff. No, we did not get this Kristoff.
okay.
We got Anna and we have an Elsa too.
What is it?
Oh, and we have the Snow Jesus
Oh,
as
yeah,
well.
singing Reindeers Are Better Than People.
You know, Kristoff's song in Frozen 2 is one of my mom's favorite songs.
Love the 80s ballad theme.
She cries in laughter through the entire thing.
It's hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think this one is? Reindeers are better than people.
Yes.
Mom, don't you think that's true?
Some days. Yes.
Animals are always better than people, in
Okay.
my opinion.
All right. Okay, there's definitely 2 ears on this one. You don't say, Lucy.
Really? Okay, Mom, let's get this one open so I can give her water, because I think that's what she wants.
Okay.
What is it? Oh, we got another Susie!
Another Susie, and I think Susie's super cute.
She's super
It's
cute.
actually not her ears, it's her little hat. Susie from Cinderella.
Cinderella, yes. All right, we've got 3 more. Please hold, Mom, while I go and deal with the dog. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
No, I don't know.
Okay, let's open it.
Big round head. Oh, wait, they all have big round heads.
Who is it? 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 Who is it?
Oh,
Oh, we don't have this one yet. It's Goofy, and he is a He's got a little basketball and he is a common.
He's a common. He's cute. Wait, so that must be the athletics then.
Yes, so we now have, in the athletics department, we have Goofy, Pooh, Pete, Dash, Stitch, Tigger. So we're missing Eeyore and Pocahontas because she's part of the rowing club.
I was going to say, she's part of, okay, who has big feet?
A lot of them.
No, I mean, like, they seem like really big feet sticking out.
Could it be Rex? I hope it's Rex.
Hope it's Rex?
Uh-huh.
All right, that's your wish. Where is Rex on here? Oh yeah. No, I don't think it's Party Source Rex. No, I don't think so. I'd love it if it was Fozzie, but I don't think it is.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
No. Wait.
Who is it? Wait. What's that? Who's that?
Oh no, I think it's one. Oh, is this Chip or Dale?
Oh, look at how cute he is. They'll flip
It
him
is Dale.
Oh, and Dale is also a common.
Yeah. So
Look at how cute he is.
He is cute. I'm Chip. I'm Dale.
So far we have 4 commons and a rare. I'm hoping that the last one is not a common. I'm hoping we get something better.
Like an ultra.
If we get an ultra rare, I hope it's Fozzie or I hope it's Animal.
Where's Animal? He's in a musician.
He's part of the pep rally.
Oh, that's right.
Because he has to drum.
Yeah, drum. Yeah, and I don't think it's that one. So
Okay.
let's see.
Who do we get? Who is it? Is it Party Source Rex?
Cinderella.
Oh, Cinderella. And she is also a common. So this set
had
had
lots of commons.
5 commons and 1 rare. But we got 2 repeats. And then the rest
We're new.
are new. So,
It's exciting.
yeah, that was the end of your Disney Doorables Academy, Mom. Do you know which series you want to open next?
Pick one.
I don't know. Let's go look at the box. What all do we have in here? This will be done in another video, but everybody can watch my mama open more things. We got a bunch of collection peeks in here. We have some more Technicolor ones.
I'm kind of like.
We
give
got
me one
this-
of these.
Which ones?
One of these. Sure.
Do you want the Technicolor ones?
Let's use this one because it's the only.
That's the
little-
Series 8.
Okay, let's do series.
All right.
8.
We're going to do this in another video for you all, okay? All right. Please come back in the next couple of days to watch her open these. That was some beautiful kiss blowing, Mom. Bye.